guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bianca, and thank you guys for watching. So today I have a wig from UNice HAIR. She is 18 inches, and y'all seen the inside. It's like you can part it like around and have like a bun at the top. But the wig is really natural. I did not pluck the middle though because I'm going to curl my hair and I'm gonna style it. But this is it, just straight. I blow dry it and I straighten it. So yeah, but I didn't like flatten the top or anything like that. So this is just straightening. So what the wig came with this thing for your edges. It says UNice. And then it came with this cute little bag and with some wig caps, some nail wraps, and some lashes. So take these down so y'all can see. Some lashes. So I really do like this wig. The wig is really cute. I do not get any shedding. I don't get any tangles. The hair is so soft. Like, so soft. Like I said, this 18 inches, and the thing, and it has like a natural, I don't know what it's called. It's gonna be a link down below, the exact word I may put on the screen. It's got like the natural thing, so like I don't have to put any makeup on the wig, like in the inside, because it has a thing that's already that match my skin. So yeah, I did bleach the knots in the front though, because it didn't go all the way up. I just bleached a little bit of the knots, and I did pluck it a little bit. I didn't pluck it too much. But I probably will go in and pluck it some more, but I can't do too much plucking because like the tracks start like right here on the sides, so can't do too much plucking. But the wig is pretty natural. It is lace in the back. I didn't cut off. I always forget to cut the lace off in the back. I don't know why, but yeah, the baby hairs. It said it came with some baby hairs, but I really couldn't find them, so I just cut the hair. But the wig is pretty natural. I really do love it. Not getting any shedding whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it, and I'll be. So I curled the hair. The hair curled really good, but I'm not the best at curling hair, so yeah. But the hair curled really good. I really do like it. It's still soft. All that. Period. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, comment down below, and I answer them.
boy, tell me.